Hey folks, good morning. Well, look what kind of trouble we got into the other day. We rode our YZ250FX in the mud a little bit too much. Now it's time to get cleaned off with Active Products Pressure Washer 2.0. This is a $350 electronic pressure washer that does a mighty fine job of making your bike go from that to that right there. Who's ready to get clean? All right, everybody, excuse the ladder. We have a little pest control problem in that canary palm. Hopefully we can mitigate it. Stay tuned for maybe another episode, not motorcycle related, talking about that. Here we have our 2025 YZ250FX. We got really dirty, as you can see. So thank goodness we have Active Products 2.0 electric pressure washer. This pressure washer is made in Canada. It retails for $350. It comes with a bunch of great accessories, and for an upcharge you can get an even better wand and a longer hose, which we have here. I really like this pressure washer because it has a super long electrical cord, so you have some distance. And then this Goodyear type hosing is really good because it's super durable, has good pressure, and this thing definitely has great water pressure. It also has this cool swivel head and different attachments, so if you have more delicate or sensitive materials you want to wash, you can use a different head. But for off-road dirt bikes, we like using that white tip. All right, folks, it is time to get clean. Who's ready to go? All right, folks, now we're playing with power. Let's keep this, getting this thing all cleaned out. Look at this. I love this pressure washer. Look how good it is at scrubbing off all the earth and debris from your off-road motorcycle. All right, everybody, we got it pretty clean. Now it's time for a little switcherooski. And as you can see, we have some work ahead of us. Let's go. And just like that, folks, our 2025 YZ250FX goes from dirty to clean. Look at this thing. This thing is very clean. We didn't even use any soap this time. We probably should have, given how dirty this bike was, but just a quick rinse. It wasn't a quick rinse, but probably a 9-minute pressure wash, and we are looking very clean. I love this tool. It's super lightweight. It is maybe about the size, a little bit bigger than a gallon of milk, and probably about the same weight too. Really long extension cord. Love the swivel handle. Allows you to get in and out of tight spots. And there's plenty of cable and hose length and all of these high quality quick release fittings, which are super G money. Well, everyone, that's today's episode featuring our dirty to clean 2025 YZ250FX Yamaha cross country off-road bike and Active Products 2.0 electric pressure washer. $350 just for the pressure washer, but do yourself a favor and upgrade, get the accessories. It comes with that nicer handle with the swivel thing and a bunch of nice accessories, including the soap wash, which we didn't actually use today, but we will use in the next episode. As always, folks, make sure to sound off in the comment section. What do you think of this YZ250FX? What do you think of this pressure washer? And let me know what solutions you have for cleaning off your dirty dirt bikes at home, and we'll see you in the next episode.